Hi, my name is Jan Bojo, and today I'm going to show the presentation of the exercise 10 object-oriented software design. So let's start with the first package, that is my view package. In my view package, we have my canvas class that is appearing in front of you here, and then the next class in my view is my window right here. So the next package is the model package. In the model package, let's start with the classes. We have the game data class that is right in front of you. The next one is the game figure class. Next is my mouse pointer class. And then we have the shooter class. And we have the text class. And we have some other packages inside the model package. The first one is the UFO package. In the UFO package, we have those classes. First is the UFO class, and then you have the UFO animation flying, and then the UFO anim strategy class, and finally the UFO falling class. Next, we have the soldier package. In the soldier package, we defined a soldier class. We have a soldier image, that is when the soldier is just appearing in the game, and we have a soldier anim strategy interface. After that, we have a soldier falling class. Then we have a soldier hurt class, and we have a soldier killed image. Let's go to the next package, that is the missile. In the missile, we have the class missile. We have the missile anim exploding class. We have the missile anim shooting class, and then the interface is the missile anim strategy interface. That's all for the model package. Let's go to the last package, that is the controller package. The controller package is first the input event class. You can see here the key event listener class, the main class, the mouse event listener class, the player input event queue class, and we have a new package that we call observer package that has different classes and interfaces. First, we have the interface observer, a soldier create event class, a soldier observer add new class, another interface subject, and a UFO create event class, a UFO observer add new class. And that's all for the classes and packages of our program.